All right, let's talk about Gilead now. There's a look at the stock today. It's down slightly. It is up 11% over the past month. So what is the options market saying could be ahead? John and Peter at the Telestrator with unusual activity.
Yeah, John,
and Pete, you're up first.
He was in the process of unusual activity on this graph. Look at this nice rise that you were just referring to, Scott. I mean, that's a nice move from 65 up towards the $78 level where it's trading right now. September 82.5 calls, very aggressive. 10,000 of those bought today. So looking out a little bit, going out, this has had nothing but news inside of it, Gilead. It's made this nice move, but that's a nice big buy that we're seeing today. Pretty aggressive. I like the stock enough. I like the fundamental side of it, Scott. I did not go for the calls. I actually bought the stock, and I'll be selling calls against this position. So I like what I see here. I like this company enough. That's what I do with some of these names. If I find names that fundamentally fit, I'm going to buy the stock itself and then use the options later. That's what I'm doing here with Gilead.
In the news because the CEO is stepping down.
Right. And all kinds of news, and the CEO stepping down. It's probably why you're seeing a little bit of a pause today. I mean, but look at this. Normally, if you see this kind of a shift, you're going to see a lot bigger move than what we're seeing right now,
That's not insignificant news, I guess, is part of my point.
I agree with you. And yet, the stock is not reacting negatively in a huge way after this big run, despite the fact that you're seeing something like that. So I like this company enough. I think there's enough there, and they're moving in a direction to replace some of the drugs in the past. I think this is a company that easily could see that 82.5 in the not too distant future.
All right, we'll see. Doc, what do you got for us?
Ally, Judge, A-L-L-Y. Take a look at this one. Ally, right there at about 27.89. We see them coming in buying September calls at the 29 strike. So they buy big amounts of these, which got us interested. I bought those, Judge, and because they're September options, I'm imagining I'll be in the trade for about a month. The second one, I know Pete's jealous of because it's one of his favorites, Target. So Minneapolis-based Target stores, they come in for August calls in this case. They bought very quickly 6,000 August calls.
You're just pandering to your brother.
Yes, I am. Yep, I am.
I know how this goes.
You're right.
And to Brian Cornell, of course. But nonetheless, they're buying these calls in big numbers, Judge. I like it. I'll probably be in them 2 weeks, but I do love the company, and I was surprised Pete let me have it today.
All right.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.